वृंदावनवासी
शुद्धाभिमान
विषय छविया कहे शुद्धाभिमान
कभी हम हेरब श्री वृंदावन
कहे हम हेराबो श्री वृंदावन
हर रूप गुण तब दे होइबे आकुति
पारा गुनाता पारे होइबे आकुति
कभी हम बुझब से जुगल प्रीति
कहे हम बुझाबो से जुगाला प्रीति
पर गुण तपदे रहु मोर आस
पारा गुनाता पारे राम मोरा
प्रार्थना करए सदा नरोत्तम दास
प्रार्थना करे सदा नरोत्तम दास
हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे
जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय कृष्ण
ठाकुर की कुटिन है राधे जय जय माधव दईते
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 गोकुल तरुणी मंडल महिते
गोकुल चारुणि मंडल माहिते
राधे जय जय माधव
राधे जय जय माधव दईते
दईते until 11. Okay, let's wait for you. So prepare prasad. Offer it. You offered? Not yet.
No, Govinda Didi, I think she went there with Mamohi.
Govinda from the south and Mamohi, they went where?
Take some bread
Some
and
things to offer.
Yes, they will offer and you have prasad here.
She went where? They went where?
Market.
take
Market,
Acho que sim,
supermarket,
Rafael,
somewhere to
vocês.
buy things
Não
to
sei.
pão e pão, manteiga.
bread, butter.
हाँ ओके ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकयां चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्रीगौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So we'll translate. Huh? Okay, done. Huh? Continue how possible.
My device is broken. After I'm doing it, we'll have a new device.
After now,
Bem, se você tá muito longe, eu não consigo escutar. Entendeu?
Mas aqui
É, vai chegar na hora. Eu já mandei um grupo de tradução que são muito escutar.
How many do you know that understand English?
quem entende?
Quem entende, entendeu. Quem entende inglês, levanta a mão. Quem não entende.
é que não entende.
Who don't understand.
Okay, English people come this way and then do your this translation.
Então, todo mundo que não entende inglês, chega mais pro lado aqui pra essa parte aqui de Jagannatha e a gente traduz aqui.
Okay. Yeah, this side translation will come. Huh?
Chega mais perto.
Who will translate? You.
Without the mic, how can I listen to your words?
Huh?
Without the mic there, if I sit there.
Okay, who translating there?
Tá?
Huh?
Posso fazer uma ligação para ela daqui?
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुं सुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि ॐ वृन्दा वै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति पदे देवी सत्त्ववत्यै भक्ताविहीनापराधलक्ष्यै चित्तास्य कामादिकरण्यै कृपामि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So I speak simultaneously. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padmo, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Sri Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Sri Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurundra Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all my respectful guests. Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, first chapter. Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj about Krishna's very nice, beautiful pastimes, Krishna Lila Kathamritam. Because first canto to 9th canto, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj about many kinds of Jnana Vairagya Katha. What Katha? Jnana and Vairagya. Jnana means knowledge, Vairagya means renunciation. And also told many stories, Upakhan Katha, many pastimes of king, Raj Parivar Katha, in the dynasty of king, Raj Parivar Katha.
Governo Pri, vem cá fazer mais um grupo de tradução aqui, por favor, sem microfone.
Mas vocês estão falando aí,
Já tem dois grupos, vem mais alguém tem.
Then Parikshit Maharaj, he asked one question in there. Hey Gurudev, hey Brahman, don't take my offense. I want to ask one question to you. Parikshit Maharaj very humble told, hey Gurudev, I don't know how to make question in front of you. If I have any offense, please forgive me. Now I am about to die. After 4 or 5 days, I will die. In 7 days, after 7 days, you will die. For this regard, almost 5 days passed. For this regard, he told, maybe after 2 days, I will die. Because that serpent, Takshak, snake, will come and bite to me. Then I will give up my body. But why did you speak about many history of king? Amongst the Rajana, you told me about many history of kings, how they are great, eh? How they are brave, Sahasi, how they conquered many countries, how they gave charity, donation. He told many kathas, kings many, they are Gyan Vairagya Katha. Why? What benefit I will get? If I listen, there are many brave and warrior or charity donation katha. What benefit I will get? Any? I cannot get any benefit. Okay, that person was very rich. What benefit I will get? He will not give 1 penny to me. Understand? बड़े हुए तो बड़े हुए बोले what is called ब्रज हिंदी वर्ड जैसे फॉरगेट बड़े हुए तो क्या हुआ पेड़ के लगे खेजूर पंछी के छाया नहीं फल लगे अति दूर ब्रज लैंग्वेज saying this way one person is very rich he has many affluence, wealth, money. He is eating many kinds of delicious food. Laddu, kachori, mohan bhog, jalebi, He has many affluence, aishwarya. He has many, what is called? Horses, elephants, many cars, many things. Achha, this katha, if you listen, what benefit you will get? What benefit you will get? So, Braj language say, बड़े हुआ तो क्या हुआ? पेड़ के लगे खजूर. पंछी के छाया नहीं, फल लगे अति दूर. That means, one person is very big, rich. If I heard his glories, what benefit I will get? Nothing. He will not give 1 penny to me. He will not give 1 grains to me, my feet. He will not give anything. What is the meaning of the listen about his glorification? So Braj language is saying, बड़े हुआ तो क्या हुआ? पेड़ के लगे खजूर. फल लगे अति दूर. I give an example. They are giving this one very long tree. Very long tree. If the long tree, you cannot get any benefit. But with your long tree means is what? You cannot get any shade because tree is going to be long. Or maybe that tree is shade going very far, maybe in the river. You cannot get benefit from the trees. Do you understand? Because the shadow of the tree, where? Very far or in the river. Understand? One summer time, you are walking. Then you see a big tree, long tree, very long, as like coconut tree, very long. And that coconut tree shade, where is the shade? Shadow in the river. So you cannot get any benefit. You cannot go to the river. Oh, now I am very tired. I can take a rest under the shade of the. You cannot do it. So in this way, then another given is जथा पेड़ के फल लगे अति दूर. And that long tree also fruits are very far. You cannot also get. So what is the meaning? You will listen, oh, this tree is very big, this tree gives many fruits, nothing. और then पंछी के छाया नहीं फल लगी अति दूर. खजूर, here the खजूर means one kind of dead trees. That tree you see, there's so many thorns in there. And the fruits, dates are here, very top of the tree. And easy can easily, you can to pick the fruits. Understand? not so easy, because there are many thrones are there. And so in the same way, Braj language saying, बड़े हुआ तो क्या हुआ, पेड़ के लगी खोजे, पंछी के छाया नहीं, फल लगी होती दूर. So that means I am saying, because Parikshit Maharaj asked this question to Sukadeva Goswami Pad, you told about many kings, their life history. How they are great, warrior, brave, they have opulence. But what benefit I will get from it? Or this king was very big, this king was this. What benefit will get? Nothing. Then Sukadeva Goswami Pata, amongst the Rajan, here Rajan king, actually I told that kings, they are opulence, Vaisharja. Why? Because you have come this dynasty. First to understand your own glories, but how will tell you own glories? For this, you have come this dynasty. And that means your forefathers, Purvaja, forefathers, how they were great. Because Indian culture, everybody want to know about their forefathers. My father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, how they were. So for this regard, I told you, you have come this dynasty. Kothito Vamsa Vistaru Somo Surjayo. I explain this in a dynasty. Two dynasty I explain. One is called Soma Vamsa and Surya Vamsa. That is called dynasty of Moon dynasty, and another dynasty is called Sun dynasty. In the Sun dynasty, Surya Vamsa, Ramchandra, Bhagwan Ramchandra. Or in the dynasty of Moon, who came? Krishna. That means Sukadeva Goswami established, hey Parikshit Maharaj, how you are very fortunate. In your dynasty, Lord came. So you are very fortunate. Bhagavad and Bhagavad Avatar. Lord and his incarnation came in your dynasty. And all your dynasties, that person, how they are great, Mahan. And actually, I want to say these things, Parikshit Maharaj said, Sukadeva Goswami saying, in your dynasty, that person came, how they have Gyan and Vairagya, knowledge and renunciation. Well, why? Because bhakti manifests one's heart. This is the two symptoms. Actual, bhakti manifests one's heart. What are the symptoms? Jnana Vairagya will come. Jnana means transcendental knowledge, or Vairagya means renunciation, detachment from the material sense gratification. Bhakti Devi's, how many sons? 2 sons. When we discuss about Bhagavad Mahatma Katha, the glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam, that time we will discuss this Katha, Bhakti Devi Katha. Utpanna Dravida Deshe, Bhakti Devi, she told, I was born in Dravid, that means Madras, Tamil Nadu. Then I gave birth my 2 sons. One is called Jnana and Vairagya. Then I came in Mysore, Maharashtra. Then I grew up. But when I came in Gujarat, Gujarat, then my 2 sons, they become young, I am become old. But when I left Gujarat, come in Vrindavan, opposite way. I become young and my two sons become old. Eh? That means bhakti manifests one's heart. That's called Gyan Vairagya will come. Understand? Eh? Some Vaishnava was saying this way. Bhakti Rupi Patni, Paramatma Rupi Pati. Bhakti is as like, if you compare bhakti as like wife, Paramatma Bhagavan is as like husband. So husband and wife meet together, what will come? Sons coming. So Gyan Vairagya. Eh? So Bhakti Devi or Bhagavan gives us what things? Gyan Vairagya. That means conclusion is that Bhakti manifests one's heart, then automatically Gyan Vairagya will come. So for this regard, I told, here Parikshit Maharaj, you have come the dynasty of Lord Bhagavan. And Som dynasty and Sun dynasty. That is called Chandra Vangsha and Surya Vangsha. And you don't see. In the dynasty of Sun God, Bhagavan Ramchandra came, who established Varnashram Dharma in the platform of Prem Madhurya Katha. Prem Madhurya. Or then Krishna, he appeared in Chandra dynasty, Moon dynasty. And Krishna performed sweet Armas pastime with the gopis. Eh? For this regard, I explain this way. Then explain this way. Nibrita taresai upagiyamanat bhagu sadastotra mano virama kauttama sloka gunanubadat pumano virajit Vina Posugnat. Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 1st chapter, sloka number 4. Nibritta Tarsi Upagyamanat Bhavusadastotra Mano Viramat Kauttama Sloko Gunanu Badat Pumano Virajet Vina Posugnat. Very nice sloka. Everybody learn this sloka. Again, Nibritta Tarsi Upagiyamana Bhavusada Sutra Mano Virama Kauttama Sloka Gunanubadat Pumana Virajit Vina Pasugna. First negative. What is that? Who does not want to listen Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha? Vina Pasugna. Those who are killing the animals, Pasuman animals. Their heart is very hard-hearted. They don't want to listen Krishna Katha. Bina Pasugna. Those who are killing the animals. They don't want to listen Krishna Katha. Except butcher. Pasugna means butcher. Understand? Or others, they want to listen Krishna Katha. Even impartialists, those who want to merge in Brahman, even they listen Krishna Katha, they will give up the meditation of a Brahma. Brahmadhyan they will give up. They give up the merge of Brahma. They eager to listen Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha. Because Govinda Katha is very powerful, attractive. So Nibritta Tarse Upagyamana Bhavusadastotra Mano Virama. Even those who are suffering in this material world, threefold of Maya, Adhantik, Adidoivik, Adibhutik. Even they listen Krishna Katha, they will forget all their sansar vasana. Because Krishna Katha is very powerful. So for the Nibrita Tarsai Upagyamana Bhavusadastotra Mano Govinda Katha. Because Krishna Katha is very powerful. Even Krishna Katha attracts the Advaitavadi, Mayavadi. once one Mayavadi, mean impartial Sankal philosophers. Many years he performed his austerities in Kasi, Banaras. And he chanted what mantra? Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahma. Sankar philosophers, they are chanting this mantra, Aham Brahmasmi, Pragyanam Brahma, Sarvam Kalidam Brahma. Then one is thinking, oh, in my life, I did not perform any, what is called, Tirtha Jatra, pilgrimage. In India, many pilgrimage places, Gaya, Ganga, Kasi, Tirtha, Banaras, south, east, west. If you go India, many pilgrimage places. So he was thinking, I did not go any pilgrimage place, Tirtha Jatra. So I can go to many Tirtha. Tirtha, understand? Pilgrimage place. So he traveled many Tirtha, many pilgrimage places. And South India, if you go South India, many Tirtha. Understand? Kaveri, Narmada, many kinds of also holy rivers are there. So in this way, he traveled many places. Then finally, he came in Vrindavan. But when he came in Vrindavan, then his mind changed. Advaita Viti Patikai Rupasa Sananda Singha Sanalabda Diksha Kenapi Hatena Bayang Satena Dasi Krita Brajabadu Bitena. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also quoted this verse. He had explained this, the purport about this sloka is Advaita Viti Patikai Rupasya. First I was the path of Advaitavadi, impartialist, how to merge in Brahma, Brahmagyan. Advaita Viti Patikai Rupasya. But when I came in Vrindavan, then my mind completely stolen. Where? Only Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. Automatic Krishna Nam dance in my tongue. And automatically my ears want to eager to listen Krishna Katha. So saying Advaita Viti Patikai Rupasa Sananda Singha Sanalabda Diksha Kenapi Satena Bayang Hatena Dasi Krita Gopavadhu Vitena. Now I am completely captivated by Krishna and his Katha. Now I become the medicine of Srimati Radhika. Well, if you become the devotee of Lord, so what benefit you will get? Bale Prasad. If you become the devotee of Lord, you will get only Prasad. What Prasad? Bale Bhagavad Kathamritam, Tava Kathamritam, Tapta Jivanam, Avividiritam, Kalmasahapam, Savanamangalam, Srimadatam, Puriginanti Te, Yuridajana, Kathamritam, Tapta Jivanam, You cannot go ahead. Tava kathamritam, tava kathamritam. And when I heard Mahaprabhu, tava kathamritam, tava kathamritam. Here Krishna, your katha is as like sweet nectar. Who does not want to drink the nectar? Everybody want to know. Amrit chhadiya keva kare aur anna bhojan. And who will eat other things except nectar, amrit? And that means Krishna katha is amrit. And our Jiva Goswami Pad very nicely explained in this context. But when you will become pure devotee, no need gyan or vairagya. In the beginning, need virtual jnana and vairagya. Jnana means knowledge and renunciation. Or when you completely submerge in the divine love of Radha and Krishna, then no need jnana vairagya. Understand? Well, what is that? Our Jiva Goswami Pad explained this way. Rajaputra Chiranjeevi Bhava. Vyadho Majiva Mamara. Or Bhakta Majiva Mamara. That means Rajaputra Chiranjeevi Bhava. Hey Rajaputra, hey Prince, you live, long live. You stay here, long live. Why? Because you are son of king, that means you have lot of wealth and opulence. Why? Because previous life you did many pious activities, punya karma. So for this regard, you have vast of opulence. And so you are enjoying. But you know, after your death, you cannot get anything. Because this is your finish. What that means is, Kormis, here the Rajaputra means Kormis. Here Kormis, you are performing good karma and enjoying in your previous fruit of action, karma. So you are enjoying. But when this karma finishes, then you cannot get anything more. So for the Rajaputra Chiranjeevi Vyadho Majiva Mamaro. Vyadho means, hey hunter, you are killing the animals. You are butcher. In this life, you also suffer hell, and after your death, also you go to the hell. Both. So what is the meaning of your life? Eatless. So for the Vyadha means hunter. Majiva Mamaro. Meaning your alive and death both are same. That means in this life you will be, you are suffering, and after your death also you will suffer. So the Vyadha Majiva Mamaro. Hey Bhakta, also Majiva Mamaro. Hey Bhakta, why are you performing hard austerities? Kathor tapasya. That means is what? Hey Bhakta, no need your tapasya, nothing. Aradito jadi hari tapasa kim, naradito hari jadi hari tapasa kim, antarvahi jadi hari tapasa kim, nantarvahi jadi hari tapasa kim. Mahaprabhu told this katha. Aradhito Jodi Hari Tapasaki. One who attained to Hari, Krishna, or Krishna Prem. What is the meaning of austerities? Aradhito Tapasaki. Naradhito Jodi Hari Tapasaki. If you not perform bhajan and sadhan, what is the meaning of your tapasa? Tapasa means austerities. English word. What is meaning tapas means top? Top means give the pain your body. That is called tapasya. Not other things. Tapasya means you are giving the pain your body. That is called tapasya. Understand? That is tapasya. So what kinds of benefit you will get? Nothing. If you not do bhajana and sadhana, if you not chant holy names, so what is the meaning of your austerities? Yesterday, okay. You are Nirjala Vrata. But if you not chant 64 rounds, what is the meaning of your Nirjala Vrata? Nirjala Vrata is our Ekadasi Vrata Nirjala, this is good. But have to give intense is what? Harinam. If you not chant 64 rounds or Nirjala, actual you will not get proper benefit. Or one person not Nirjala, taking some prasad, but yesterday was big feast. Okay, no problem. Bhagavad prasadam, no problem. If you take prasad, Ekadasi prasad, or 64 round chants, so who is higher? One who chants 64 rounds, he is higher than Nirjala. Is it? So bhakti means bhakti this way. They how will give intense Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Because Krishna Katha is Amrit. Amrit means nectar. What is Srimati Radhika saying this way? What is saying? Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalam sahapam Sravana mangalam Srimadatam Ubigrinantite Puridajana Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Vireditam Kalam Sahapam. What do you try to do? Don't misunderstand. Misunderstanding. What? I am saying, oh, no need to Nirjala Vrat. I am not saying this way. Because sometimes devotees go, oh, that means Maharaj is saying no need to follow Nirjala. This is not what I am saying. But you give intense in your primary in your chanting holy names. Secondary, Nirjala. If your health is good, or if you tolerate, your body tolerate, Nirjala you can do. Because bhakti, that is called sahaj, savabhik, not by force. And especially Kali Yuga, no Hatha Yuga. Hatha Yuga, understand? What is the Hatha Yuga? Stubborn austerity, that is called Hatha Yuga. Understand? My body is not tolerate, but I doing by force. Bhakti not doing this way. Bhakti, that is called what? Spontaneous. Understand? Sahabi. One devotee told, Gurudev, what will do now? Today I will do Nirjala or not? Because I did with them thinking today Nirjala. But when I looking many kinds of my forehead. Gurudev, what will do Nirjala? When I am looking here, 30 types, 50 types of very nice, beautiful, delicious prasad. Very difficult to control my tongue. No need, this is your, no need, Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga by force. Bhakti should be spontaneous, savabhik. Not by force. Okay, if you say it is better when the devotee is taking prasad, you should not go out, go to the forest. It is better. Otherwise, if you see your you cannot Nirjala, you cannot broth, you cannot also chant holy names. You are not eating your mouth, but you are eating your mind. Huh? Will it true or wrong? You are not eating because you are only thinking, oh, that devotees are getting very nice prasad, this, this. You chanting holy names or what you are thinking? Prasad. So this is Nirjala Vrat. This is not. Yesterday Nirjala or not? No, not possible. Now coming up.
Now coming out.
Como assim não, caminhando?
Huh?
A pessoa chutar o
Verdade.
Bhakti, why I am saying this? Bhakti should be Savhaviki. Savhaviki means spontaneous. And bhakti not by force. And whatever your body want, in this way you can do, not by force. That means I am not saying, oh, my body want this, enjoy sense. I am not saying this. Bhakti should be Savhaviki. But always give intense is what? Hari Katha and Hari Naam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. For this year, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Gopir of Prem, Sahavik Prem. Gopis, they have love and affection with Krishna. That is called spontaneous, sahaja. Sahaja, Gopir Prem, nahe kabhu kaam. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Because bhakti should be spontaneous. And as like the water of the river, spontaneous flowing. Understand? Bhakti should be same way. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadi anavritam anukullena krishnanu silanam bhakti uttam. The bhakti sahabiki, spontaneous. Just give an example. If you drop the honey from the jar, so the honey make the one line stain. And that is also spontaneous falling down. Understand? If you look this thing, give an example, water, oil, if you drop, very quickly falling down. Have you seen or not? You take one glass of water, drop, and every time all water falling down. But if you drop the honey from the jar, that is not every time falling down. That is making first is what? Stain. And very slowly falling down. But bhakti is that is called spontaneous sahaviki. Or if you do this as like the water falling down, the glass of water, at a time falling down, no. Bhakti is not saying this. For this regard, this example has given in our Shastra. The bhakti is sahaviki and spontaneous and incessantly, without stopping. Incessantly, continuously, without stopping. So for this regard, this example has given in our Shastra as like the honey dropping from the jar. Honey not at a time falling down, but water, oil or anything at a very quick drop falling down. But honey is not this way. For this regard, this example honey is giving, but honey first make the stain. In the end, spontaneous and constantly, incessantly, without stopping. In the same way, bhakti should be this way. One day chanting holy names, another day chanting not. This is not. Bhakti should be every day. Sankha purvaka nama gana nativi kala vasanu krito nidra ahara vihari sattva jadu radha krishna gunasmiti mudhurima anandina sarmahito vande rupa sanatano raghujugo srijiva gopalaku sargosami ashtakam. 6 Goswamis Glorification is question. How do you? Sankha Purvaka Nama Guna. That means every day you chant holy names on fixed round. And you chant. And do bhajan and sadhana. So for this, because Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam, every day have to. For this regard, Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Nityam means every day. Every day you have to read Srimad Bhagavatam. Two Bhagavat. One is called Grantha Bhagavat, another is called Bhakta Bhagavat. You have to take Bhagavat. Every day you have to read Srimad Bhagavatam. Every day you serve Bhakta Bhagavat. Every day you have to chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vrindavan Vihari Lal, Jai Jai. Okay, now 10:30. Prasad can go. Balo Govinda, Bala Hari Gopala. 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 Giridhari Sam Banuhari. Bolo Mahaprasad ki jai. Arati. Kuruni is very, very so kind. From the beginning, I am coming her house also. Oh, when I came your house, your another
10
house?
years ago.
10
years ago.
10 years. Now 10 years. She is so kind to giving to shelter to us. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Ram. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Giridhari Sam Banuhari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Radha Ramana Giridhari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Giridhari do Arati, it's too late. Damodar Priya, okay, good? Huh? Please come. Huh? Honey. Oh, you suffer the honey. Okay, Arati.
Continuously coming.
Continuously coming. Jaya Jaya Radha Krishna Jugal Milan. Jaya Jaya
Radha Krishna Jugala Milan.
Arati Karana Lalita
Arati Korana Lalita Sakita. Madana Mohana Rupati
What do you not take? You? Honey? Honey. Yeah, honey. Everybody too. You? Huh? What is this?
It's also honey.
Uau! Ai, quero um pedacinho.
You got from there.
Você pode comer essa sensação? Ou é só o meu?
Não pode engolir mais.
Vai mascar, pode ficar mascando. É mesmo, era falo, pode ficar mascando.
ficou chocada? Você não vai enxergar também, né? Hamburgueseira.
Mas é cera.